Assessing Acid Mine Drainage Recovery by Alyson. Acid mine drainage, or AMD, is defined as the outflow of acidic water from metal or coal mines and is a long-term consequence of mining. This outflow consists of mainly pyrite and has been damaging streams and ecosystems all over the world since the Roman times. There are about 500,000 abandoned mines in the world and about 50,000 alone in the U.S. that pose a threat to the environment. Currently, we still lack long-term data on the recovery of these streams, as well as a final solution to the problem that is causing the simplified food webs with fewer species. We hypothesize that with time and more macroinvertebrates, we will be able to achieve the best method for combating the damaging effects caused by AMD. The two sites we will be looking at are the Brinkerton, located right here, and the Lober, located right here, which are both along Sewickley Creek, a rural watershed in southwest Pennsylvania. At each site, 3 benthic samples were collected using the kicknet method. We also looked at the levels of pH, alkalinity, iron concentration, and sulfate. We found that the pH increased at all 4 sampling sites and the iron concentration decreased at all 4 sampling sites from 2015 to 2020. Sulfate data shows a decrease in concentrations found at the sampling sites over the years for both Brinkerton sites, but an increase at both Lober sites. Alkalinity increased at both Brinkerton sites, but decreased at both Lober sites. We also found that the total number of taxa have continued to increase from 2015 until now, which is what we were hoping would happen. The number of herbivore taxa also increased each year. Overall, we can conclude that with time and the proper treatment system, we can expect to see results of AMD recovery. With a less acidic environment, organisms will be better able to survive. With less iron oxide-coated rocks and leaves, food webs will become less simplified and chemistry data will be improved. The total number of taxa was found to increase as a result of a better watershed, and the same holds true for the number of herbivores. Any of our benthic metrics will increase due to less iron oxide-coated rocks, leaves, and organisms, but specifically herbivores as they eat the leaves that fall and settle into the streams. In the years to come, we need more data in order to better our understanding and see if the recovery trends will continue. And of course, if there are any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below.